फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऐसा लगता है जैसे किसी नाइट क्लब में डिटॉक्स करने आए हैं। मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा था ऑक्सीजन पार्ट, क्योंकि सारी प्रॉब्लम्स जो होती है पूरे बॉडी में जब ऑक्सीजन नहीं जाता है तभी होता है, और इसलिए तो कहते हैं कि प्राणायाम करो, ब्रेथ वर्क करो। सो दिस इज़ एन एडिशनल ऑक्सीजन थिंग टू इनहेल एंड रिपेयर योर बॉडी सेल्स। और आईवी ड्रिप्स के भी काफ़ी सारे देखे मैंने। देर इज़ सन टैन, देर इज़ हेयर फॉल, देर इज़ बायोटीन। इट्स वेरी नाइस, इट्स एक्चुअली अ रिकवरी रूम। सो ऑल द बेस्ट टू द टीम।
रिलैक्स करो और एक चुटकी में वापस जाके काम करो। हाँ, रिकवरी रूम, अकील अली, आइए। I mean, it's a new generation, so with everybody experimenting above and beyond their measures. I think it's a great concept. I think, to come here and get cleansed out and your lungs getting clean and, getting a good treatment out here. I think we all need it, man. Forget the youngsters, we all need it. Youngsters to recover on their own, but youngsters, adults alike, please come. I think it's a fantastic concept, and I think the way they've done it inside looks like a first-class cabin of an Emirates or something. Yeah. Akil, I wish you all the best, my brother. Oh. Recovery room, guys, come here. Where's it? What's the place? What area is it? Santa Cruz. Recovery room, Santa Cruz. This is the place. See you, bro.
Recovery room, these two are the star of the day. And I just tried the oxygen bar. Oh my god, I have sinus issues. Guys, it just felt blissful. Eucalyptus all inside your body. Oh my god, damn cool. And there are lots of other things, like essential things, dude. Like, I am always lack of vitamin D. I guess all of you are also. So that's one thing I'm definitely gonna come here. And it's luxury. It's literally luxurious. And I can tell you one thing about Archana. I know her since many years. This girl strives for the best, and she's made it happen. So good luck, darling. Good luck. Good luck to you.
Practicing an IV lounge, and basically all kinds of vitamins you can take, from vitamin B12 to D3 for your hair, for your skin, to look fair, to look white, to glow. The oxygen really gets you rejuvenated. The pollution in our country really doesn't let you breathe a lot, so we give you 96% oxygen. It's also really good for hangover. If you've had a lot to drink in the night, in 20 minutes your hangover goes away. Some people are depressed, depression goes away. If you smoke, your lungs get clean in 20 minutes. So it's really, really nice. I advise people should do this at least once a week or at least 2 times a month, and just feel like, brand new and really fresh. That's all.
What do you like to add about recovery? Recovery room is finally here, and we have come here with a new idea. This is something first time in India, Mumbai. Oxygen, which is pure 96% oxygen, like he said. ये बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे काम करता है. Any kind of health issues, health concerns, skin issues. So this is the place you can always come and try out.
Also, we've designed this place not like a hospital or a IV center or something like that. We made it look like a nightclub. It's like a lounge. It looks really luxurious. It looks like when you sit, you hear some music, you take your IV drops. So you feel very high end. It feels like really high end. It's really cool. Yeah. So अब क्या है, मैं रात को लोगों को नचाता हूँ और दारू पिलाता हूँ. यहाँ पे उतारता हूँ.
Here you can recover from all your hangovers, smoking issues, everything.
So Archana ji se मेरी friendship है, और we know each other for a while, and I was telling her about this oxygen. Oxygen
उन्होंने US में किया हुआ है.
Yeah, it's very popular all over the world. और 20 मिनट में हैंगओवर जाता है. इतना पोल्यूशन होता है, आदमी सिगरेट पीता है, उनके लंग्स खराब हो जाते हैं. ये पूरा रीसेट करके क्लीन करता है. तो इनको अच्छा लगा आइडिया, तो we just went ahead and we opened this place. That way. आप सब ट्राई करिए, मजा आएगा. Thank
I've
you.
seen her work very hard in this clinic, and genuinely it's the need of the hour. हमारा पानी इतना polluted है, air polluted है, खाना इतना fresh नहीं है. तो unfortunately हमको ये सारी चीज़ों की बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, for drips and everything, to help give that thing that we've been missing. So I'm really happy that she's found such a beautiful business that can help people feel better, look better. and yeah, like I'm proud of her.
No, it felt very nice. We just did oxygen inside. Right now, my eyes have popped open.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying this for effect, but genuinely, it's feeling much, much nicer. I've woken up a little heavy today, but this has made me feel nice, fresh, and okay. And like she said, it's a need of the hour. So it's very nice. Once you go inside, also, it feels like you're in a lounge, so you can spend an hour in one chair getting some drips done, and you'll walk out rejuvenated for sure.
न्यू अभी जो जनरेशन जो चल रहा है many people have problems so उनके लिए बहुत हेल्प करेगा
100%.
100%.
All of our bones are not as strong, our muscles are not as strong like our parents and their parents before. So we unfortunately need the extra that we can get from everywhere, and this is a great place to come. And
Yeah, the food is not giving you what you actually
Yeah.
needed. जो पहले होता था वो तो मिल ही नहीं रहा अभी, तो ये external लेना पड़ रहा है, and this is providing you exactly that.
thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think I think that they are giving us oxygen which we need so badly and that is lovely. I wish all the best to Archana. It's like हमारे अगर आप लंग्स अंदर झाँकोगे इस समय जो आजकल हालत है तो काले लंग्स मिलेंगे. दिल तो हमारा साफ है, लंग्स साफ होना ज़रूरी था, तो शायद इस ऑक्सीजन से फर्क पड़ेगा. So yeah, I'm looking forward to coming here and visiting. You'll be going for the further anything आपकी ट्रीटमेंट हो कुछ हो फ्यूचर में? यार मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में मैंने देखा मेरी शक्ल सूरत पे कुछ खास फर्क पड़ता नहीं है, बट lungs I want to really preserve, so oxygen is the best thing, but I'm sure that she has such lovely activities for the others. It's a great clinic and one should visit, and they'll be hooked on to a lot of things that she's providing. बहुत ही डिफरेंट ये है जो कॉन्सेप्ट है पूरा. अकील आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे ये कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में? नया चीज आप लेकर के आए. You have been the biggest DJ of India.
It has become a necessity in today's world. So it's no more like a lifestyle, it's a necessity. That's all I would say.
Yeah. And for the newer generation also help करेगा ये काफी. जो
Absolutely.
नया
This
जनरेशन
is
आज इतना स्मूथ करते हैं लोग, इतना माने
नहीं करना चाहिए, लेकिन उसके बाद यहाँ आना चाहिए. It's a reset.
And you know, Akhil is like जिसको हम सुन के बड़े हुए. So all the best to both of them. And it's super. It's a different concept. Oxygen and IV drips. So all the best.
Thank you so much.
जो जनरेशन है आज बहुत ज़्यादा वीक है.
बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन है आज के टाइम पे कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगा. You know? So it's super.
And this is a need of the hour. अब क्या
Yes,
करेंगे?
it is a need of an hour
Yeah.
because today you're not breathing in fresh oxygen because everywhere it is so much of pollution. इतना
Construction,
pollution है.
yeah.
And breathing this will help you बहुत सारे issues में because आज हमारे जितने भी health condition है वो सब less of oxygen की वजह से है. तो जितना ऑक्सीजन अंदर जाएगा प्योर ऑक्सीजन उतना हेल्थ पे बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ता है. सो डेफिनेटली अगर आपको स्लीपिंग इश्यूज है, हेल्थ एनी काइंड ऑफ साइनस हेल्थ इश्यूज है, लंग्स इश्यूज है, सो डेफिनेटली ऑक्सीजन इज अ नीड ऑफ एन आवर.
स्पेशली रत्ना जी इज नंबर 1 डीजे ऑफ इंडिया. तो कैसे ये थॉट आया और किस तरह से मैंने अकील के साथ में बोला था
कि अकील जी की लाइफ इज़ ऑल अबाउट पार्टिंग, लेट नाइट्स, ट्रैवल. सो उनमें काफ़ी थकावट, फटीगनेस आता है. सो ही इज़ द राइट पर्सन टू स्टार्ट दिस बिजनेस विद बिकॉज ही इज़ अ लिविंग एग्जाम्पल कि जितना भी ट्रैवल करने से हेल्थ पे बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है. तो ये उनको रिवाइव करता है अगर वो ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं, ड्रिप्स लेते हैं. ड्रिप्स भी अगर आप 30 टैबलेट्स दिन में लेते हो, मतलब या महीने में लेते हो, एक ड्रिप्स इज एज गुड एज 30 टैबलेट्स. दिस हेल्प्स यू रिवाइव योर हेल्थ.
Yeah, definitely, क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है अभी आजकल मुंबई में, तो there is no oxygen. So this is big place, you should come.
All right.